Hey there, my dear friends! Today, I have a wonderful story to share with you about a very special elephant who lived in our lush green jungle. Her name was Ellie, and she was the gentlest and kindest elephant you could ever meet. All the animals in the jungle loved and respected her because she had a heart full of love and compassion. One bright morning, as the sun rose above the tall trees, the jungle came alive with the chirping of birds and the buzzing of insects. But amidst the joyful sounds, there was a distressed cry for help.
Help! Help! Help!
It was Lila, a little monkey, who had gotten herself stuck in a tangled mess of vines. Lila called out for assistance, and soon, the news reached Ellie's large ears. Without a moment's hesitation, Ellie rushed to the scene to help her little friend. With her powerful trunk, Ellie carefully untangled the vines and lifted Lila to safety. The monkey hugged Ellie tightly and thanked her profusely. Word of Ellie's kindness spread like wildfire throughout the jungle. The animals were amazed by her generous spirit and couldn't help but admire her. From that day on, Ellie became the go-to helper for anyone in need. As time passed, Ellie's reputation as the most caring and compassionate elephant in the jungle grew. Animals from all walks of life sought her help. From the tiniest insects to the largest beasts, Ellie never turned anyone away. One rainy evening, a young and scared deer approached Ellie. The poor creature had lost his way in the downpour and was trembling with fear. Ellie comforted the deer with her soothing presence and guided him back to his worried family. But one day, a big wildfire broke out in a distant part of the jungle. The flames were spreading quickly, and the animals in that area were in grave danger. Ellie knew she had to act fast. Without any hesitation, she rushed to the scene and carried the smaller animals to safety on her strong back. Despite her best efforts, Ellie could not save every animal. Some were too scared to approach her, and others were already too close to the fire. She shed tears for those she could not rescue and mourned their loss. But the animals she did save were immensely grateful for Ellie's bravery and selflessness. They knew that she had risked her own safety to help them, and they were forever thankful. From that day on, Ellie's legend spread far beyond the jungle. Animals from neighboring areas came to hear her stories, and the tale of the kind-hearted elephant traveled to far-off lands. The moral of the story is that kindness and compassion can make a world of difference in the lives of others. Just like Ellie, if we open our hearts and lend a helping hand to those in need, we can create a beautiful and harmonious world for everyone to live in happily ever after.